Hello everyone. Today we will see how to write Python code in Notepad++ and how to execute it. So here I have opened one Notepad and here I'll take an example of addition of two numbers. So let's take two variables. One a is equal to 2 and other variable b is equal to 3. Now in Python, to print anything, we make use of print function, and inside that I will give the addition operation of these two variables. Now I have to save this file. So before saving this file, you can see the color is black for everything. When I save this, take an example of addition file .py. Py is the extension for the Python files. So when I save this, see the color of the function and the variables has been changed because now it's a Python file. Now save this file and let's execute it via the command prompt. Open the command prompt and give the path where you have saved this file. So I have saved under the documents and I have installed the Python. So you can refer my previous video where I have installed the Anaconda, where I have set the environment variable there while installing the Anaconda. So Python and will give the file name, that is addition.py. Now the addition is 5. So you can see this here. My A is 2 and B is 3 and addition in the command prompt is 5. So this is how you make use of Notepad to write the Python code. Thank you everyone.